Ever feel like the world of finance is a maze? A million buttons, cryptic terms, and fees that seem to appear out of thin air? Well, you're not alone. That's exactly what inspired the creation of Mamo, a fintech company aiming to simplify everyday transactions. But who's the mastermind behind this financial revolution? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the founders of Mamo and the story that led them to challenge the status quo. Buckle up, finance enthusiasts, because we're about to meet the architects of a simpler financial future. From big tech to big change, the Mamo origin story. Mamo wasn't born in a boardroom meeting filled with suits and briefcases. It all started with two individuals, Asim Janjua and Imad Garazeddine, who were fed up with the complexities of traditional banking. Both with impressive careers at Google, they witnessed firsthand the challenges faced by people trying to navigate the financial landscape. Fast forward a few years, and the idea for Mamo began to take shape. Asim and Imad, fueled by a desire to empower individuals, left the comfort of their Google jobs and embarked on a new adventure, building a platform that would make financial independence a reality for everyone. The masterminds, meet Asim Janjua and Imad Garazeddine. Asim Janjua, the Chief Experience Officer, CXO, at Mamo brings a wealth of experience in design and innovation. His background at Google's technical design lead position honed his skills in crafting user-centric experiences. This expertise is crucial in Mamo mission to create a platform that's not just functional, but also intuitive and user-friendly. Imad Garazeddine, the CEO, takes the reins on the leadership front. With a background at Google as well, Imad brings a strong understanding of technology and its potential to revolutionize financial services. His vision for Mamo is clear: to break down financial barriers and empower individuals with the tools they need to manage their money effectively. A shared vision, financial freedom for all. Asim and Imad's vision for Mamo goes beyond just offering another payment app. They envision a future where financial services are accessible, transparent, and empowering. They believe that everyone, regardless of background or income level, deserves the opportunity to manage their finances with confidence. This commitment to financial inclusion is evident in Mamo core values. From promoting faster transactions to providing clear insights and strategies, Mamo aims to be a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. The road ahead, what's next for Mamo Mamo is still a young company, but it's already making waves in the fintech industry. With a growing user base and a team passionate about financial empowerment, the future looks bright. As Mamo continues to innovate, we can expect to see even more features and services designed to make our financial lives easier. So, there you have it. The mystery behind the minds of Mamo is no more. Asim Janjua and Imad Garazeddine, with their combined expertise and unwavering vision, are leading the charge towards a simpler and more accessible financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.